At the Horsepower Factory, Australia's largest performance workshop, we are always innovating and improving our packages, and our hugely popular Jeep upgrades have been getting an overhaul for even more power. One package in particular is our Stage 2 Trackhawk upgrade for the supercharged 6.2 litre Hemi. We start the process by fitting a Legmaker carbon fibre intake for increased cold airflow. Following on from that, we install the Litens 2.85-inch pulley upgrade with an AAD anti-slip idler pulley kit and an ATI 10% over-drive balancer to increase boost to 20 psi. Working with our partners Injectors online, we fit a set of individually tested Expert XS 1000 injectors to maintain a safe air-fuel ratio by providing the precise amount of fuel flow we need. Under the car, we fit a full pacemaker exhaust system comprising of 4x1 ceramic-coated tuned-length headers with 2-inch primaries and 100-cell high-flow catalytic converters. This, mated to a dual 3-inch stainless steel catback exhaust, gives the Trackhawk an aggressive but at the same time refined exhaust note. Once all the hardware is fitted, we then put the car on the dyno and load up our custom tune to suit the upgrades, and this is the result. With over 100 kilowatt gain at the wheels, our Stage 2 Trackhawk package is one of the best value dollar for horsepower upgrades on the market and is only available now from the Horsepower Factory, where too much is never enough.